Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be a quick video. So let me tell you what I'm going to do. So if you open any code here, so you're not able to see line number. Even like if you have the line numbers here, then it becomes easy for us, to explain our code to, our other teammates or even it looks good. So how to enable this feature? So to enable line numbers in your Visual Studio, you can simply go to Tools, and from Tools you go to Options, and here you can go to your text editor, which will be here. You expand this text editor, then you click on this All Languages. Here you have two options. Okay, you can simply tick your line number and also tick this word wrap. So click OK. Once you will do this, then your code will, the line numbers will populate, and also you will get the word wrap. So I think word wrap is not looking good, so I will disable it. If I click OK here, now your code will go here and it will continue to go further in a line. So if you enable the word wrap, then your code will automatically go to your next line in your this particular area. So thanks for watching this video.